How to control Install Unknown Apps permission on Samsung. This tutorial shows you which apps are allowed to install other apps outside the Play Store. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Apps. From there, tap on the three dots menu at the top right and select Special Access. At this point, tap on Install Unknown Apps. In the next step, you'll see a list of apps like Chrome, File Manager, or Messages that can be a source for installs. Following this, tap on the app you want to manage, such as the browser you use to download files. Once done, toggle on Allow from this source to let that app install APKs. Keep in mind, only enable this for apps you trust, since allowing unknown installs can expose your device to harmful files if misused. Finally, toggle it back off once you've finished installing the app you needed to keep your device secure. And that's it. If this guide helped you control Install Unknown Apps permission on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.